This is called a two-way table. If we look at the columns, they contain information about year groups 7 and 8 at a particular school. In Year 7 we can see there are 27 girls and 23 boys, making a total of 50 pupils in Year 7. We can also see information for Year 8. If we look horizontally at the rows, we can see information about girls and boys. So for girls we can see there are 27 in Year 7 and 22 in Year 8, giving a total of 49 girls in the two year groups. For boys, 23 in Year 7 and 25 in Year 8, giving a total of 48 boys. In both directions, they add to the same total of 97 pupils. Often we're given two-way tables with information missing, but we can fill in the information from that given. For example, we can see there are 85 girls. 41 of these are in Year 8. 85 take away 41 gives 44. We can then complete the first column. 44 plus 44 gives us 88. Let's look at this row. 90 boys in total and 44 in Year 7. 90 take away 44 is 46. Then we can complete this column. 41 plus 46 is 87. 88 plus 87 is 175. And just check, 85 plus 90 is also 175.